Alright guys, so let's go to our memecoin ninja VIP telegram and then search for the sweet spot signal. So these are the list of sweet spot which we have received it as of today. So let's go one by one. So as of 4:33 p.m. we have received Momo's. This was captured at 4:33, and let's go to the Dexscreener app. So after 4:33 by this time, it was an easy 2x, which is pretty good. Let's go to the next one. The next one is KRILLION. So this was captured at 3:48 p.m. So after 3:48, it went. So after 3:48, it went to up to 60k, which was probably around like 70 to 80%. So the next one is ASMR. This was captured at 3:11. So after 3:11, which is around this time, and then it went all the way up till 230k market cap, which was around, probably I would say around like 4 to 5x. So it's easy to express. Next comes the Bliss. So this was captured at 3:06 p.m. So after 3:06, let's see if that is an uptrend. So after 3:06, which is at this time, and then it went up till 41k. You can see it's still running, but 41k is, which was captured at around 3:46. Next is Parkify. So the sweet spot signal was captured at 2:53 p.m. Alright, so after 2:53, which is at this time, it was an easy 2x. I mean, it went all the way up till, if you see here, it went all the way up till 3x. It's still running, by the way. Let's go to the next one, which is OMD. This is called $1 million, I guess. So this was captured at 2:27 p.m. So after 2:27, it went all the way up till 4x. The next is MO. MO was captured at 12:33, the sweet spot signal. So at 12:33, around this time, and after that, it went all the way up till 78k market cap, which is an easy 2x. Then comes the MILF. MILF was captured at 12:03 p.m. Alright, so after 12:03, it went all the way up till 50k market cap, which is of around another 70 to 80%. Then comes the Capocollo at 10:28. So this was captured at 10:28 with market cap, was dipped at 21k market cap. Alright, so after 10:28, and then it went all the way up till 45k market cap, which is of another 2x. Let's move to the next one, which is Momo. So this was captured at 7:05 a.m. So after 7:05, it went all the way up till 69, and then there was a dip, and then it went up to 79, which is an easy 2x. Then comes the Lole. So this was captured at 618. Yeah, after 618 it went till 54, I suppose. Yeah, it went up till 53, around 53 to 54, which is of around maybe another 50%. But that's it for today, guys. So we will see in the next video.